We'll guide you through how to make shop banner in Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Corel Draw on your computer. Click New Document to create a new file and prepare your workspace. Double-click the Rectangle tool to automatically generate a rectangle that matches the size of the canvas, which will serve as your background. Add color to the background as needed to match your design concept. Create several shapes using the Rectangle tool and arrange them on the canvas. When you have finished creating the shapes, select All Objects, right-click, and choose Convert to Curve so you can freely edit their nodes and outlines. Then select the Shape tool to begin refining each object. Adjust the shapes carefully using the Shape tool by modifying the corners, changing the angles, and improving the overall layout. Once the shapes are adjusted, add color to each shape according to your preference to create visual variation. If necessary, copy and paste the shapes, then adjust their colors and reposition them to improve the composition. After that, select the Rectangle tool again and create another new shape. Switch to the Shape tool and adjust the corners of this shape as desired to fit your design. Add color to the new shape according to your preference. Continue by adding the text you want to use in the design and place it on the canvas. Adjust the layout of the text so it aligns well with the other elements. Next, select the Polygon tool and create a triangle ornament. Make two versions of this ornament. One is an outline version and one is a filled version. For the outline version, set the outline width to 10 mm to make it clearly visible. Add color according to your preference. Copy and paste the ornament into several parts and arrange them as needed. Adjust the layout to maintain balance. Then select the Ellipse tool. Create a circular ornament and add color as desired. Adjust its layout as shown in your design plan. Add your photo models and adjust its layout. Ensure everything is neatly arranged. Then select All Objects, right-click, and choose Power Clip inside.